Welcome, from me is a Motorola Edge, and today I will show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, we will need to open up the Files app, which is right over here. Let's continue and then scroll down. Now if you don't see anything at the bottom right here in the storage devices, what you want to do is tap on the three dots and tap on Show Storage Devices, which will be the exact opposite from what it is right here. So for me it's Hide Storage Devices. So once you tap on it, it will show up the two storage devices, and from here let's go first one to the internal storage, which is the one that the device has. So briefly, the DCIM folder will contain any photos, videos that you have captured with the device. Downloads folder will contain anything that you have downloaded, either through a web browser, email, whatever the case may be. Then you have usually empty folders like music, movies, notifications, podcasts, ringtones. Those folders usually are just empty unless you have downloaded some kind of app that will save something to them, or you have placed it there yourself. And then lastly, we have the Pictures folder, which usually contains screenshots that I have captured with the device. And from here, I'm gonna go to the DCIM. That's where my photos are that I will use as an example. So once you find your files, what you want to do is select them. Now there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can either select a single file by holding it. If you want to select multiple, same thing, but then you can add on additional ones. If you want to select all of them, well then once you select one, you can tap on three dots and choose Select All, or you can go back and simply select the entire folder along with all of its content. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you. It's more of a preference. Now once the file is selected, tap on three dots once more, and then here you'll have Move or Copy to options. Now if you choose to move your files, they will be completely removed from where they are right now and move to the new location, while Copy will create additional set of the same files. So choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with Move, and from here, once you select one of them, it gives you the pop-up right here, and you can select where you want to move it, either to an internal, which that's where we're right now, or SD card. Once you choose one of those, which I'm gonna go with SD card, it shows you all the content of that storage. And from here you can drop it wherever you want. So you can move it here. If you want to move it more specifically somewhere else, you just tap on that folder and then again tap on Move here. It's allow, and once it's finished, as you can see, we're now on the internal storage DCIM folder and it is now empty. So let's go back to SD card, and I moved it to Downloads folder, and there it is along with the 4 photos that were in there. Now the same process applies to any kind of file. You do it the exact same way. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.